we guide you through how to save caption style in CapCut. So open your CapCut app and go straight to your project or create a new one. Then tap on text and add your caption as usual. Customize your caption style by adjusting the font size, color, spacing, and effects until you get your preferred look. Once you are satisfied, don't just move on. Look for the style or save icon depending on your version of CapCut. Then tap Save Style or Add to Favorites so it stored your custom caption design. Now, exit and add a new text again. Go back to Styles and you will see your saved caption style ready to use instantly. This allows you to apply the same design without repeating the editing process every time, saving you a lot of time when editing videos. If you want to update it, just edit a new caption and save it again as a new style.